Hello everyone. So this is going to be general heart reading for all the signs slash. I hope that you all are fine. Very interesting. Very interesting. Um, Something is going to be going into the zone of attraction. Okay. In you specifically, you're going to attract someone, something that is made for you, is meant for you in your life. Okay. This can go work wise, this can go friendship wise. This is a person I also see. I see collar, so a shirt, a neat, clean, um, someone who is, I do feel gentle in talking, and that doesn't mean that only if someone is having a collar does they are going to be gentle. It's just what they are showing me. Some can be an ass. Can I can speak right? Some people can be ASSHOLE. Pathetic energies. We can say that. That's a better word. So, yeah, sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start. Links available in the description, in each video below description or on my homepage. Okay. Support to the channel. I highly appreciate it. Let's start. Now, there's also, if you're into, planets and everything, if you are self-astrologer or you just listen, you have grace for that, you know, Jupiter is going to play a very important role in your life because I have this in my cards. Okay. So that card I'm just going to show you, but I like on the cut side, it's coming as in like attract, and someone is attractive. And that's why this attraction point of like law of manifestation or law of attraction is working here. As if like there is this, I can see the person. Okay. This is coming as in like, music. So someone could be connected with music industry, entertainment, or somehow somewhere, but it's not about someone who's listening to that. Maybe, but more of like into that field. Okay. It's all about notes. It's all about music, creating, writing, playing. So maybe in that field. Okay. This could be someone who's wearing this shirt. Could be about audition or performance or somewhere possible. Someone is into gentle music as well. Maybe it's about how we can say, do they have some words, right? Soft music or something. Maybe they have that kind of interest. So they're into that, listening plus making or writing or something, you know. Could be a lyricist here. Am I talking to a lyricist? Hey, someone over here is getting their boomerang, and that boomerang is karma. Someone is getting hit by what they did bad to someone. So there is realization happening. Okay, so let me show you first of all that Jupiter card. It's on top. It's about action. Okay, some kind of action in your life is happening. See it again. So Jupiter, you may just have more information if you wish to. You may do so. Everyone's free will. This is expansion, growth, pursuing passions, adventure, new opportunities, fortune, connected with different people, different things, whatever is happening in their life. And this expansion is also about our own life. Apart from work or something, this is about our own life and our own, emotional expansion, our own healing expansion, our own heart chakra expansion. Anything is connected with that kind of thing as well. But there's definitely action going to happen. This is about karma. This is about something that you're going to put that out. Okay. And someone is going to feel that, like this boomerang, what I talked about, is also about someone is going to get hit by, because they might have thought, like, they can drain you or they are going to pull you down. They might have tried, but it's not affecting you. And what you are doing is and moving. I read somewhere that crow, it's a story of a crow where crows do, they disturb eagles, okay? If it's really. So they are going to peck on their neck and everything. So I read somewhere. If it does happen, I don't know, but they showed that story. So the point of it, the moral of the story was that eagle never fights back. So what eagle is doing here is that she's taking a flight. She's going to go up, 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 which means rise. Okay, up, 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 and crow is going to follow, like flying, but he cannot fly higher than eagle, and because of that he cannot breathe, and because of that he's going to fall down. So don't worry, be an eagle. Okay, so action is happening on the cut side, and people are jealous. They actually have this very bad green color, like envy energy. mm, they don't like when good things happen to people. Some people are like that. They don't feel happy. I don't know why. I don't know. Even if they never did anything back to them, still, you know, they've been nice to them, still. So you have attract passion, mutual feelings, feeling drawn to someone. Someone is going to feel drawn to you, and they're like, hmm? So yes, someone is feeling drawn to you. Messenger is on its way. I'm seeing someone flying. Maybe it's a future call of meeting that person as well. Really, someone is flying. I see someone is flying. Let's see what is coming. It's going to be very strong energy. I'm picking on like literally dragonfly hovering. So this is going to continue for a while. See, so there's messages coming. It's nothing there, but I see. Uh, it's and making noise and hover. They're hovering over. Please, please give us the message. Give us the message. Give us the message. Give us the message. The card is closed off, guarded, resistance, pride, defensive, wounded, warrior. Says a lot. Someone has become like a robot, like a robo, ROBOT. Like they have like an armor. And in one go, I felt as if it's different than, universe suit and everything that they wear in rockets and everything when they go in the universe. But it felt though it was like that. But whatever that is, definitely someone is guarded. They're not opening you or this person because maybe it's about again resistance, because they're wounded because of some recent distant past. Defensive approach is very normal because people are hurting each other around the globe, hurting in connections, relationships, every now and then, and that is why guarding energy or guarded energy is very common. Okay. And this could be about pride. Someone did hurt them. So maybe that's the thing. But this is not what they are actually. You see? Now this could be you, self. This could be this person. Very guarded because of whatever happened. And people, they don't want to show their wounds because when you are vulnerable in a situation where you just speak, people take advantage of that. Everyone is aware about that. So yes, but this person is not like that actually. They became like this, or you became like this. Now it's going to feel as if like they're hard or rude or they have attitude. Like attitude should be, but ego maybe, or they're just rude, which is not true actually. It's just what they're projecting to protect self, which is a defensive approach. Okay. But this is a masculine energy in one go. However, this can go either way. But whoever you are connecting, this person is feeling something for you. And that feeling is very different in this time frame they have gone through, when they felt alone, when they were disappointed, when they were healing, whatever they were doing in their life. They never felt this in this long time, the way you're making them feel, or the way you people connect. There is no hurry, there is nothing like that. So what I feel is like this person does want to open up. Okay. Bottom energy is feminine energy, yin. Maybe you are yin for this person, and maybe that's why we're projecting this is a masculine energy here. And this is your yin energy, and this is a yang energy. Okay. Now, intuitive, nurturing, creative, wounded, insecure, victim. Okay. Now, it's also telling this lady, this yin energy is also wounded. But she became about, like, in life something after so many wounds. She never did hurt anyone. People sometimes, when they're wounded, they're hurt, there are different people. Okay. So, as in, if we talk about energies, there are different energies. Some people hurt others. Okay. When they are hurt, some, they don't hurt, they go inside and they protect themselves and they heal, and they become more kind. Okay. Like some people, or they do become like that. If someone did hurt me, I'm gonna hurt the other person. It's crazy, but there are different energies. Okay. So maybe they're finding you, you know finding your energy is clear energy. Like something is in them, is breaking that cover, that I'm sorry, I'm not getting that word. Armor. Yes. So it feels as if like they're feeling that you're helping them crack open. Okay? You're not doing something special, or vice versa. But it's just happening naturally. The card is 12/12 recording time. Definitely you're coming in connection with someone. This is renewal. It's raindrops, kind of water is there, trees are there. This word is written spark, SPARK, and beneath is new life, fresh starts, rejuvenation, healthy after healing. Oh, it's healing. Healing after crisis, sacral chakra. It's about getting ready. It's about trying. It's about, that's what I talked about. Like you're making this like person crack open, come out of their closet or come out of their armor, anything. Okay. And the time frame is definitely summer. Definitely. And everyone's summer is different again, but this could be right now summer's on. So it's all about timing card. So maybe this is the time. This is your time. Okay. Activity, goals, progress, life force energy, new pet. Maybe someone is getting that. I feel you. Someone is feeling you. They feel you more, like every day possible. And I'm talking about the connections happening here, of course. What is going to come in the future? What is going to come in future is this particular card. This is making noise, proper noise, which is self-care. Focusing on yourself, for yourself. Now remember, when you take care of yourself, you attract a lot. Okay? That's the truth. And it does take time, but it's going to be worth. Self-care, energy. So you're preserving your energy. It's also about emotional self-care, because a lot of water is there. So there could be a water sign, or there are rains happening. A lot of rain is happening. Rainfall, I see. Low energy, depleted, cleansing, wanting time alone, recharge, retreat. So in your future, you are about to focus on yourself, for yourself, on your career, for yourself. Everything is you. It's about self-worth. Okay? And also, let me tell you, because I was talking about this, that the one you are, or your self, care cards could be. But apart from that, what I said is someone whoever is opening or whoever was defensive and won't be, or simply, it's breaking and new cycle is happening. What is that new cycle is all about? You are opening and cracking this person to take care of self more. The self-care is going to come in this person's life because of you. They're going to focus on self more. They're going to take care of self. They're going to be more happy. I don't know what is that you're giving this person, but they're going to be more happy and more chirpy, which is good. Okay? They want to take care of self more. So if they were like, it's all about self energy care. What I mean to say is whatever is here written, cleansing and everything, this is going to be done properly in your life, in this person's life, or because of you in this person's life. So recharge is happening, retreat is happening. Okay? There's some kind of freedom in your life that is going to enter. With that being said, planet Uranus, it's written, and freedom. Okay? So leap of faith, you're going to be breaking free from something, new cycle, fast change, new direction. Everything is connected. Okay? And sometimes all this happens because of a new connection as well. People join your life, or you meet certain people, or you talk to certain energies, and they show you a pathway. Okay, take care and see you soon. Bye.